Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to unbox and review this hair clipper. The brand is Philips Series 3000, and to be exact, the model number is HC-3520/15. Okay, and this is a 60 Hertz 100 volts to 240 volts. Okay, and this is zero maintenance, guys. No need for oil, and it's a self-sharpening blades and quick release and washable blades. Okay, so di kailangan ang oil at di natin kailangang hasain because ito ay self-sharpening blades. Kusa siyang naghahasa by itself. At ito siya, guys, washable siya. It's a washable blades. So let's open up, guys. Isa lang ang code, guys. Okay, here is it. Okay, unlock year of warranty. Okay, we're going to charge it for 8 hours, and we can use this device. And here's our HC-3520, and we can use it up to 75 minutes. Okay, so it has only one comb, but from 1 mm to 23 mm. Okay, so we're going to adjust. Okay, here is it. Only one comb. Isa lang ang kanyang supply, guys. Okay, so I'm going to peel down this one now because I already bought it. And the charger itself, here's the charger. And by the way, guys, this is made in Indonesia and designed in Netherlands. Okay, here is it, guys. Okay, so we're going to unwrap and let's check the unit. Okay, so let's press and release here. Okay, if you wash it, just press and release. Okay, as easy as that. And here is it, guys. Okay, after using, just wash this one. Okay, no oil needed. It has only one comb here. Here's lang kanyang supply. So to install that one, just okay, this part you should not immerse with water, wash with water. Okay, otherwise it blown. Okay, so it has a brush, just brush the hair. Okay, and I'm gonna show you on how to install it back. Okay, you see these nuts here? Okay, just aim there. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, now this is the adjustable, guys. Okay, the comb should be inserted here. Okay, you see the guide here, and these two here should be installed like that. Okay, install, and it has a click sound. Okay, for the blade, guys, there is the arrow indicator, so it's set to number 1. If you want to adjust that one, just press and slide. Okay, next is 3 mm, next is 5 mm, second is 7 mm, 9 up to 23, guys. Okay, so don't forget to adjust the selector once you're going to use it now. And it's set to number 1. So compared to my previous, guys, this is my previous Flyco. See, it's well functioning now, and it has 4 combs, number 12, followed by 9, 6, and 3. That's all. But here, 1 mm to 23 mm. So it has also adjustable blade here. Okay, 1, 2 adjustable. Okay, and let's gun on the unit. Let's see if there is. Okay. So according to the manual, I'm going to charge this for 8 hours. Okay, so just plug in the AC adapter here. Okay, plug in, and it has a light indicator here, and we're going to charge it for 8 hours. Then later we're going to test it after charging. Okay, don't forget guys, fully charged for first use. Charge po natin siya ng 8 oras. Okay, at para magamit natin siya ng full functionality, we should follow the instruction. Okay, light indicator on. So I'm going to charge this for 8 hours.